Hi guys, as you already know, sales are around the festive season and the absolute best time to buy a smartphone, as brands and Amazon sellers actually provide you potentially the best of technology at never before prices. This happens har saal hota hai. Even within all smartphones, I have always believed that the mid-range smartphone jo hai na, they offer the best value for money. This is what you're getting, what you used to get 1 year back at top of the line. They pack in almost flagship level performance, but for much lower cost than those flagship smartphones. And if you need your smartphone to be your work assistant, your entertainment console, your connectivity device, and a lot more, I would strongly recommend to stretch a little bit your budget and everything else and upgrade to one of these mid-range phones. Now, this year, the Amazon Great India Festival sees a never before lineup of India's #1 bestsellers in every budget for every customer need. And all these come out at a never before deal and opportunity for all of us to buy great pieces of top end technology at the best ever prices and offers. So let's just jump right in. I will share some of my top picks and deals on all budget smartphones, which will cost less than rupees 30,000 rupees during the sale. And in case you were waiting to upgrade your phone, look no further, as the list I'm sharing below has all the best sellers all available on Amazon.in. And you won't possibly need to look anywhere else apart from the home of all the best selling smartphones, which of course again is Amazon.in. Also do note, I am uncovering the possible best, the biggest deal of the year right at the end of the video. So do stay with me and ensure you don't miss this one. Great deals all through, the big one right at the end. So let's get started. The first one, the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, offers the best of the best that a mid-range smartphone can and is a very, very worthy option. Now, this is a phone which literally has it all that one can ask for in a 4G phone. Highest camera resolution of 108 megapixel, check. Best in class 120Hz Super AMOLED display with 1200 nits of brightness, check. Great performance, 6GB RAM, Snapdragon 732G processor, so check that as well. Large 5020 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging, check. Great performance, 6GB RAM, Snapdragon 732G processor, so check that as well. And now the price. I think double or triple check this one. This phone has an MRP of 22,999, but will be available at its lowest price ever, 18,999, with an extra 10% instant discount on HDFC Bank cards only during the Amazon Great India Festival. Now, all of these well-rounded features at under 20k price have made the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max India's #1 selling 108MP camera smartphone. And Prime members also get more than just an early access on this deal, as they also get 6-month free screen replacement, which is great, and 9 months no cost EMI, of course, with HDFC Bank cards under Advantage just for Prime, making it a truly maxed out deal. Let's move on now to the iQOO Z3 5G, straight from the house of India's fastest growing smartphone brand iQOO, which comes from the house of Vivo. The iQOO Z3 5G was India's first phone to feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 768G 5G, has the best in segment 55-watt flash charge, which delivers 50% power in 19 minutes. Packs up to 3GB of extended RAM on top of either the 6GB or 8GB version, and has a 120Hz display with a 180Hz touch sampling rate with a 5-layer liquid cooling system, making it ideal for performance-seeking customers. Now, this is at a great pricing. The iQOO Z3 also rated the highest rated 5G smartphone in the 15 to 25k segment on Amazon.in. Now, this fully loaded phone comes with fully loaded offers, and during the Amazon Great Indian Festival, the iQOO Z3, which was originally priced at rupees 22,990, will be available at just 17,990. Flat saving 4,000 rupees. Customers can avail additional Amazon offers like additional 10% instant discount with HDFC Bank credit and debit cards. Prime members get 6-month free screen replacement and 9 months no cost EMI, again with HDFC Bank under Advantage just for Prime. Now let's move on to the iQOO 7 5G, flagship level performer, again from the house of India's fastest growing smartphone brand, iQOO. The phone packs the latest and most powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 5G processor, HDR10+, 120Hz AMOLED display, 1300 nits peak brightness, 300Hz touch sampling rate, 66-watt fast charge, unique intelligent display chip with MEMC technology, which makes fast motion and movements even smoother. Now up to 3GB of extended RAM and a flagship level Sony IMX598 sensor powering the 48 megapixel optical image stabilized triple camera. iQOO 7 MRP 34,990 will be available at 29,990. So big saving, flat saving of rupees 2,000, additional rupees 2,000 exchange bonus after trading in your old device. And of course, again, 10% instant discount with HDFC Bank credit and debit cards. This would mean an effective price, wait for it, of less than 27,000 for a true flagship phone. On top of this, Prime members get 6 months free screen replacement and 12 months no cost EMI with HDFC Bank under the Advantage Just for Prime program. Now let's move on to the Mi 11X 5G. The Mi 11X comes from the house of the #1 premium online brand and is possibly the most affordable smartphone with flagship level Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor. The phone also packs an award-winning DisplayMate A+ rated AMOLED display, 4520 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charge, has an IP53 rated protection against dust, has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both front and back, Dolby Atmos audio, 48 megapixel triple camera. Now the phone has an MRP of 33,999, usually sells at 29,999, but massive price drop of rupees 3,000 at this Great India Festival sale will be available for 26,999, and additional flat 3,000 instant discount with HDFC Bank cards also. And not only that, an additional 3,000 discount on all prepaid transactions, making the effective price not 27,000, not even 24,000, but only and only 20,999. Unreal, crazy deal for a phone with such top-end flagship specs. By the way, if you thought that's all, hold on. The phone also comes with Advantage Just for Prime program, allows Prime members to get 6 months free screen replacement. Yes, absolutely free, and up to 12 months no cost EMI with HDFC Bank under the Advantage Just for Prime program. So go on, wish list the phone and get your HDFC card ready for this mega deal. Next up, the Redmi Note 10 Pro, part of the best-selling Redmi Note 10 series on Amazon in the 10 to 20,000 price segment. Redmi Note Pro was originally priced at 19,999. Now will be available with a saving of 3,000. Starts now at 16,999. And the Redmi Note 10 Pro comes packed with features like 64 megapixel quad camera, Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate, 5,020 mAh battery, 10% instant discount with HDFC Bank credit and debit cards, and other very exciting offers on the Redmi Note 10 series only during the Amazon Great Indian Festival. Moving on, OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Now OnePlus Nord 2, worthy successor to last year's most anticipated phone on Amazon, the OnePlus Nord. Now the OnePlus Nord series is the best-selling series in the mid-premium category, with the OnePlus Nord being the #1 best-selling online smartphone in the 25 to 35K segment. OnePlus Nord 2 packs a very powerful MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI processor, beautiful 90 Hz fluid AMOLED display, flagship level Sony IMX766 sensor powering the 50 megapixel AI camera. Phone also comes with UFS 3.1 storage, making it even faster than the original OnePlus Nord. Large battery, 4500 mAh, ensures that the phone packs in truly flagship level features everywhere, but comes at a much lower price. The phone will now see an additional rupees 1,000 off with coupons for its 12GB variant, and extra rupees 1,000 off when you trade in your old iOS device. Buyers can avail an additional discount of rupees 1,500 with the HDFC Bank card, thus making the effective starting price of Nord 2 5G 28,499 for the 8GB variant, 32,499 for the 12GB variant, making this a great time to buy the OnePlus Nord 2. Now, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. This is part of the best-selling OnePlus Nord series in the mid-premium segment, most affordable OnePlus phone available on Amazon right now, and starts at rupees 24,999. Phone comes with Snapdragon 750G processor, 64 megapixel triple camera, warp charge, 30T, 90 Hz fluid AMOLED display, and most of all, the very loved 3.5mm headphone jack. Customers can avail additional 10% discount with HDFC Bank credit and debit cards and buy the OnePlus Nord CE for an effective price of rupees 23,499. Of course, no cost EMI options, additional rupees 1,000 off on exchange with select devices. This could be your first ever OnePlus phone purchase, and Amazon Great Indian Festival is here to sweeten this deal for you. The phone also has Alexa built in, making it easier for you to just talk to your phone and Alexa without lifting a finger. And now, the biggest deal of the year. Can I have a drum roll? Really loud one. Yes. Before I say anything more, what does one need from a flagship phone? Let's do this. Not a mid-range, but a real flagship phone. According to me, it's these. Great flagship processor and performance. Ideally should be 5G ready too. Absolutely great display, great camera, ideally with the telephoto or zoom lens, add-on features of being dust and waterproof, and maybe, just maybe, having wireless charging to show off some swag as well, and convenience. Today I'm going to share one such deal, which is of a serious flagship phone, which will be available at a crazy discount, almost making it affordable for all mid-range buyers. The Samsung S20 FE 5G, craziest deal of the year, exclusively available on Amazon during the Amazon Great Indian Festival 2021. Just watch out for it. Samsung S20 FE is originally priced at 74,999, usually sells for 50,999. Now will be available exclusively on Amazon for 36,999 during the sale. That's a deep, crazy discount of over 50% on such a great phone. And why is this phone great? Does it have everything we just spoke about? 5G ready, yes. Flagship processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, so yes. Great display, the 120Hz S AMOLED Infinity O display, best in class, so yes again. Great camera, yes again. 30x space zoom powered with a 3x optical zoom and the telephoto lens. Triple camera system with really improved night mode and a 32 megapixel front camera, plus it's IP68 dust and water resistant, which can withstand 1.5 meters water for up to 30 minutes. So yes, yes, yes again. And freebies with 128 GB storage, which is expandable up to 1 terabyte. 25 watt fast charging also, 4500 mAh battery also. Fast charging 2.0 for wireless charging as well. Customers can additionally avail a 10% instant discount with HDFC Bank credit and debit cards. Exchange offers, thus making this an unmissable deal during the Amazon Great Indian Festival. Now, very quickly before I go, let's talk about accessories. Great deals. Apple AirPod Pro on the day one of Amazon Great Indian Festival. Apple AirPods Pro will be available for just 17,999, down from an MRP of 24,900. Samsung Buds Pro, the Pro with a list price of 17,999, will be sold for 9,990. Now, offers are applicable for a very, very limited time. Be the first ones to avail the offer before, of course, stocks run out, and they almost always do. Crazy deals, absolutely awesome prices, great devices, all of it happening right now here at the Amazon Great India Festival. Get going. This is tech at prices so sweet, everyone will want them.